Hi, welcome to Learn with Bun Drawing. The goal of this channel is to help children or people of any age who have never drawn before to start creating cute and easy illustrations. I'll be using simple geometry to teach you how to make your own guides. Please pause the videos wherever you feel like so you can draw at your own pace. You don't need any special equipment to draw along with me. Just a plain piece of paper, a pencil, and an eraser. It's not necessary, but it's handy if you have a sketchbook. It's tidy and you can review your progress as you keep drawing. If you have some colored pencils, crayons, or markers, you can add color to our drawings afterwards. If you have a drawing tablet or iPad with an Apple Pencil, you can join in using those too. From now on, let's call pencils, paper, pens, and everything traditional art, and drawing tablets and iPads digital art to make things easier. Let's start with some simple shapes. Squares, circles, triangles, rectangles, ovals, so on. When you're first learning to draw, it's normal for your shapes to look a little off. It'll take a lot of practice to be able to control your hand well enough to draw straight lines and long, neat curves. Don't be discouraged and don't keep erasing your work, just keep practicing. For episode 1, we're gonna start with a simple animal, a duck, with an accessory, a bandana. So let's take a look at this duck. What shapes can you see? Circle, ovals, triangles, and kind of a kidney bean shape for the mouth. So just like we have skeletons, our drawings have to have skeletons too. So by using a skeleton, you're going to start drawing with 3D eyes instead of flat 2D. If it seems kind of complicated right now, don't worry about it, because you'll get it if we keep practicing. So let's watch the skeleton drawing for this duck. I'm using a digital Wacom tablet for drawing, and the recording is sped up a little bit. So if you're drawing traditionally, don't push down hard on the paper with your pencil while you're drawing the skeleton, because we need to erase it later. Okay, now it's time to draw the line work over it. If you're drawing digitally, please make a new layer in your software to draw the line work, because you can delete or hide the skeleton layer after you've finished. Try not to hold your pencil tightly or close to the lead tip. Keep your hand loose when you're drawing and try and do long and confident lines, not short and feathery lines, especially when you're drawing curves. So if you're using a pencil, it's time to gently and carefully erase the skeleton. You can always go back in with a pencil or ink pen if you mess up any of your line work. And here's our duck. So when you're drawing cutely or minimally, or both, it's important to think about the size of the shapes that you're using. So with our duck, you can see his head is larger than his body. So usually this is part of the formula to make things look really cute. And we'll go over this more in future episodes. Finally, let's add some color to our duck. Any color is fine, but cute illustrations usually have pastel or bright colors. I think some bright colors will look good with this, so let's add that today. And so this cutie is finished. I hope you are able to make a cute duck of your own. And please send me your drawings at the email address on the screen. It's also in the description box. I'd love to see your drawings. If you send me a drawing, I might feature it at the end of a video, so please send them in. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.